A gymnasium develops the body. Mathnasium develops the mind.
Smallest fraction.
Children don't hate math. They hate being confused and intimidated by math.
Is going to be 100 kilometers. And all you do is solve the proportion.
The Mathnasium method is the life work of Larry Martinek, Mathnasium's chief instructional officer, a teacher and school consultant who spent the last 30 years of his life building a better way to teach math.
This number by the product of this and this.
Good job, Adam. Absolutely correct. Now let's take it and do the same problem except with a little bit different twist on it. So we need to find out what 21% of this is. Now what does the word of mean in math? 21% times, like, perfect. Exactly. There you go.
What's our secret? We begin by really getting to know the student through a written and oral math checkup. Next, from a clear three-dimensional picture of the student's strengths and weaknesses, we tailor a personalized workbook, because no two students are alike. Filled with illustrations and puzzles that engage all the senses, these exercises, unique to Mathnasium, map the way to success by developing thinking skills alongside basic math concepts. The result is a deep understanding of the subject. Problem solving becomes second nature. Mathnasium students are not automatons, but thinking mathematicians, building number sense and a lifelong love of mathematics in a fun, nurturing environment that emphasizes individual attention and self-esteem.
If you could be any number in the universe, what number would you be?
10.
Why?
Because that's my favorite number, and I'm turning 10.
Aha. Why is it your favorite number?
It's an even number, but I like it a lot for some reason.
What's your favorite number?
3.
3. That's my favorite number too. Why is that your favorite number?
I just like that number.
It's just a good
Whenever
number.
I say 3, I get it right.
Not because of 10 fingers?
No, it's just some...
Just a number that works for you. What's an odd number and what's an even number?
An odd number is like 3, 5,
And how do you
13.
How do you know when a number's odd?
Odd is like if it's like 3. 2 is like the same, so they're good, but then there's 1 and it's nobody's there to be with him, so it's odd. So he doesn't have anybody.
He doesn't have anybody. Very nicely said. And if you add 2 odd numbers together.
2 odd, like let's say 3 and 3.
Right.
That'd be 6. That'd be an even number, because 3 and 3.
So why is an odd number plus an odd number always an even number?
Because they would add up to have each other, and then they'd be the same, kind of the same, so they'd have the same number.
They'd have a friend.
And then, they'd have a friend to go to the movies with.
Do you have a favorite number?
Yeah, 12.
12. Interesting number. How did you go on 12?
Because well, actually it's 11 because when I was 11 I got my dog.
Very sweet. A very favorite number. My favorite number is 3. Do you have a favorite number, Sandra?
Well, my lucky number is 8. So.
How did that happen? You know? Just happened?
Yeah.
Okay. What is percent?
Well, it's like something per each 100.
Something per each 100. Good. So if I ask you what's 7% of 300?
That's 21.
And how did you get that so quick?
Well, because I have a little trick, which is 7 times 3 is 21.
Very good. That's a nice little trick. How about this? How about 8% of 200?
16.
Good. Now listen to this question. How about 8% of 50?
8? No, wait.
That's 8% of 100.
4.
Good job. So how much is 8% of 100?
Come on.
12?
Absolutely right. Tell me how you got it.
Well, 8% of 100 is 8. Then you cut 8 in half, which is 4. And then 8 plus 4 is 12.
Perfect. Excellent job. Do you have a favorite number?
5.
How did 5 become your favorite number?
I don't know.
Just one of those things? Okay, listen to this question. If you have a box of cookies and your mom says you can have half after lunch and then you can eat half of what's left after dinner.
Yeah.
And then after dinner, you have 5 cookies left in the box. How many were there in the box to start with?
20.
How'd you do it?
Because since there was 5 left, I did 5 plus 5, because you can only eat if half was left. And then before you ate half of that, so 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20.
Perfect. Do you have a favorite number?
Yeah,
What's that?
9,999.
Very. How did that become your favorite number? That's the most unusual favorite number I ever heard.
Just one of those numbers.
Just one of those numbers. And if you add 1 to that, what are you going to get? 9,999 plus 1 is going to be what?
10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Good. Is that the biggest number?
No.
Why not?
Because if I had 2,553 million and you added 1, that would be more, so you can keep on going on until you're dead. And somebody could carry on for you. So, until they were dead.
What?
Until they were dead.
And then somebody else could carry on for them.
Until the world blows up.
There you go.